Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Brew with Memli, and today we are going to do something very different. We are going to make espresso with a Picopresso. So brewing on the go has been quite popular the past couple of years, and the options were only the Aeropress, to be honest, right? And for espresso lovers, Wacaco came out with the Picopresso, which actually yields a super professional cup of coffee. I will review this Picopresso with a live test right now and give you some suggestion on how to change if you have an espresso machine at home and you are considering brewing espresso outdoors. Everyone has a different espresso machine. That's why it's not fair to compare my Linea Mini with a Picopresso, right? Because everyone will have a different result. This portable one is really different because everything, including the cleaning, is really efficient. So let's start with the opening. Everything fits here. You have a palm press or a press with your palm. I like to kind of leave it a little dry here. Then a little piston, and in the bottom chamber where you have a shower screen and the basket. This basket can hold anywhere between 16 and 17 grams of coffee. I'll be using 16 grams of coffee for lighter roast, and I'll show you the flow is very similar to your espresso flow. We are going to start with a flush, right? We're gonna flush our group egg. So let me get my water and come back. Now our water is at boiling temperature, right? Because we are going to lose some temperature here. And what you want to do first is just to preheat your chamber. And you do it by pressing on that button. Little difference is on the grind size. You have to grind extra fine at the limit of Turkish coffee. Here we go. Can put this aside. Now the fun part. Like in your espresso, you're gonna clean your portafilter, making it dry. You have your channel funnel, sorry. All right, 16.2. Gonna distribute a little bit, do some WDT, exactly like on your espresso. So you'll see that this method is actually not as time consuming, longer or shorter, but really the same, and the result is impressive. All right, little distribution here, or classic distribution that we used to do back in 2015, north, south, east, west. All right, I can even take it out to press on it. Now you have your palm press. Not sure, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's a 53 or 54, maybe 52 millimeter. And beautiful. We have our shower screen that we put in this portafilter. Then we are going to screw it. So very easy so far, which is the portafilter screwing. Let's bring our water and start. So remember, our water is at 98 degrees, 97, 98, right? So we really want a hot water temperature. And we're going to start with 8 pumps as a pre-infusion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I sound like the CPR videos. And after 10 seconds, or I like 12 seconds of pre-infusion, we are going to do the full brew until, well, I want to yield. I have 16 in, and I'm going to go with 38 out. It's a little bit kind of strong, intense, because we are grinding a little bit finer. But you can see that the crema is beautiful here. I'm aiming for 36 outs, well, 38 outs. I'm at 35. 37, come on. 38, perfect. Beautiful. Not sure if we can see, but beautiful crema we have. Let's break it. It's hot and warm. That's perfect. Oh, before even I taste it, let's just clean it and you'll see how easy it is. Boom. Remove your portafilter, remove your shower screen. You have your coffee. You just boom, and here you are. Here you go. Wash your portafilter. That's it. Ready to go. And you may have sometimes a little bit of extra water. Just whoop, dump it here, clean it, put the cap, dry, my shower screen, dry, a little protection, and the little case. Everything done in less than a minute. I haven't timed it, but it's really, really quick. Now, what everyone is waiting for, how does it taste like? The nose is beautiful. It's very aromatic and very similar to a professional espresso machine. It will be hard to detect just by the smell if it's from a manual one or not. The texture, same, very intense espresso-like texture. The acidity is quite vibrant, and that may be due to the preheating, right? Because I only preheated it once. For sometimes better results, you may want to preheat 2 or 3 times. And oh, by the way, this is an Ethiopian washed processed coffee, so highest acidity ever, but we are able to have a vibrant cup of coffee. It's not sour. Texture is great. You can taste the aroma, the florality, very sweet lemon candy, some peach on cooling. Let's taste now when it's a little bit colder. Because whenever you use your espresso machine at home, make sure you back flush it and clean it every single day. The cleaning process here is very easy and it's done. And the result is very, very close for a fraction of the price. Little caveat, you need to use hotter temperature and a very good grinder. Once again, a very, very good grinder that can grind fine enough, close to Turkish, between Turkish and espresso. It's a little finer than the classic espresso. So that's why I really love it, especially with flat burrs. You have such a sweet result and such a sweet cup of coffee. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and see you next time.